Hi, hello.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Washim. What is your name?
My name's Alisa.
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm also fine.
Where are you from?
Alisa, I'm from Bangladesh. And where?
Bangladesh? Did you say Bangladesh?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, cool. It looks beautiful out there today.
Yes, this is before the house of my grandfather.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You can see a river, a small river behind me. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see that. And I can see the trees. Are those banana trees or what are those?
Very good. Yes, and behind me there are some banana trees, and here you see a mango tree. Just
Okay.
there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And a lot of mangoes are hanging on the tree. You see
I
that?
love Yes, I see that. I love mangoes.
Have you ever come to Bangladesh?
I've never been to Bangladesh, no.
Oh, you should come.
It looks really cool. Like it looks really nice.
It's really nice.
Is it warm outside?
Uh, it's actually a rainy season, not warm.
Okay.
And today it rained for almost 2 hours.
Oh wow. That's a lot. Oh. Hi.
Yes, she's my aunt.
Hi, I'm Alisa.
Uh, she is my little aunt. That means what to say? Sorry. And here you can
Is
see
she?
my uncle. Can you see?
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hello, how are you?
Doing good. How are you doing?
Oh, Alisa, from where are you?
How old am I?
No, where did you born? Sorry, was you born?
Oh, where am I? Where do I live?
Yeah, where do you live?
I live in the United States. I live in Wisconsin.
Massachusetts.
The what?
Sorry, United States. What province?
Yeah, I'm in the United States of America.
Yeah, I know, but I know 52 states in United States of
Oh,
America.
I live in Wisconsin. Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. In brief, it is called WI. It is in
Yeah,
short
yeah.
WI.
WI is the short. Yep.
Great. So you have never been in Bangladesh.
What?
You have never been in Bangladesh.
No, I've never been there, but it looks beautiful.
Yes, it is really very beautiful. Here you can see the river again.
Yeah. What time is it there?
It is only 9:22 a.m.
Okay. It's here. It is 10:23 p.m. So it's at night here.
9:23 p.m. Oh, night time.
Yeah. So do you live with your family then?
Yes, I live with my family here.
So when you were showing me your aunt and your uncle, that's your dad's or your mom's sister or brother? Or do you just call like your friends aunts and uncles or like the people that I just met? You're
Actually, you see, some people, they are my uncle and aunt, and I have come to my grandfather's house, and here they live. Uh,
okay.
and I live with my wife and children in the capital city, Dhaka.
Okay, cool. How many kids do you have?
I have only one kid.
One kid? Okay. How old are they?
Baby girl. She's only 14. 14 months.
Oh, 14 months. I was like, 14 years? It doesn't sound... You don't look old enough to be...
I don't look older. As old. Yeah. How old are you?
How old am I?
Yes.
I'm 34 years old.
24 years old. Oh.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
You're 30? Okay. So I'm older than you. I'm old.
Yes, I'm older than you. You are 24.
No, I'm 34.
Oh, 34, and I'm 34 years older.
Yeah, so I'm older. I'm the old one.
You look younger.
Well, thank you.
Really? Do you have?
I have 2 children. I have 2 kids. I have a son and I have a daughter. My son is 7, and my daughter is 4.
Very nice. And you live with your family. That means your partner. What do you call him? Partner or husband?
My husband.
Husband. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Really. And another idea in mind, and I think I have never been in America, but the Americans have different culture from the people of Bangladesh or the whole people of Indian subcontinent. You have different culture.
Yeah.
That is like, if you don't mind, in Bangladesh or in Indian subcontinent, the marital relationship does not break easily. It is so much strict, and we are obliged to maintain that relationship. We cannot easily divorce one another.
That's good.
That means here the power of custom is stronger than the individual thinking.
Yeah.
I like or I don't like. It does not depend on the thinking of us. That easily we can divorce anyone. But there in America, I think maybe it is my wrong idea. That is individuals' opinions are given priority.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
You like to your husband or your wife, it is your decision. Am I right?
Yeah, it's basically, it's your decision. If you want to go and divorce your husband or your wife, you can go and divorce them. It's not, they don't make it very hard, but you do have to pay a lot of money to divorce. And it's not an easy thing, but it almost sounds like it's harder for you guys to.
Yeah. That means you enjoy the best freedom most in life, and you can decide on whatever you like.
Yeah.
And here in Bangladesh, we actually abide by the customs, and customs is made of so many things, and it is age old tradition. It's our. Okay, then you have not visited Bangladesh. I offer you to visit my country, and if you come here, you can see a lot of enjoyable things.
Yeah, it looks really cool. I love like all the fields and I love nature. I love the nature and stuff. So I like all the fields that I can see in the back of you. And
yeah, the place you see in the back of me, it is really very nice, and because of this, two American family lived in my village for nearly 6 months.
Oh wow!
And I met them, talked to them, and I have selfie with them.
Did you enjoy having them?
Yes, I enjoyed that very much, and they were very much friendly. First
It's
time
gonna hang up.
I was a little bit